Hello, my beautiful people. Greetings to you all. Today again, let me share with you how to make this appreciated family dinner. The first thing needed for it is this chicken, soft chicken for it. So this is the scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, ginger and onions. I'll go ahead and blend everything together. After blending, this is how it looks like. So the chicken is already washed. I'll transfer it into the pot. I'll go ahead and spice it. I'll add the blended sauce to it. I'll add bay leaf. I'll add the seasoning powder. This is a chicken seasoning. So this is how the sachet looks like. I'll add the nutmeg. I'll add thyme. This is a curry. I'll go ahead and stir it. Can you watch that I didn't add anything like salt to it? Because the two spices that I add, which is the seasoning powder and the chicken powder, has salt on its own. So I will cover it. I will go ahead and cook it. I will not add water from the beginning. After some minutes, I will go ahead and add just a little water. I will stir it again and I will allow it to cook. So after a little while, guys, our chicken is ready. It's already steamed done, and the taste, oh my God, is super yummy. At this time, I have started preheating my oil to fry it. Once it's hot, I will just take in the chicken straight to it. At this point, I will fry in a medium heat in order for the chicken to be well cooked and fried. So it depends how you want your chicken to be. It can be well fried or half fried. It just depends how you want the dryness to look like. So at this point, I am super satisfied with how the chicken have already fried. I will go ahead and take it off from the oil. So I'll go ahead and fry the leftover. So this is the second batch, is already fried also. I will take it off from the oil. So once this part is done, I will go ahead and change my oil. But if you wish, you can use the same oil, but I prefer to change my oil. So I will go ahead and fry my patatas. For you, potato, over here is called patatas. So for me to know that the oil is ready, I will just take one stick of potato inside the oil. Once it's okay, I'll go ahead and fry the rest one. I'll just keep stir frying like this. Once I see that it's golden brown like this, oh my God, even the color itself is so tempting. I'll just go ahead and take it off from the oil. So you go ahead and do as much as you desire it. So this is the salad that I'm going to be using. So I'll go ahead and prepare it. So half of it will be sufficient for me. So it depends on the quantity that you desire to see. Once I am done with this like this, I will just go ahead and grate the carrots. So when you are grating the carrot, you can do it any dicing that you desire. Can you see how it looks like? Using a grater to grate it. So I'll go ahead and do the second one also. So at this point, I am fully done with this. I'll add the sweet corns to it. So this is an olive seed. I will just go ahead and cut it into two by one. Once I am done, I will transfer it into the same bowl. I will add a pinch of salt, optional. I'll go ahead and add a little bit of olive oil. Not really much. I'll go ahead and squeeze lemon juice on it. Just one squeeze is sufficient. I will stir it gently together like this. Guys, the salad is ready. So this is how I will go ahead and dress the plate before I will transfer anything transferable that I want to place on it. Can you see our yummy chicken, how it looks like, guys? Oh my God, the taste of the chicken, my God, I can't really explain it. Chop one, chop two, guys. When you eat one, your throat will be saying, I need more, I need more. Guys, please, if you have watched up to this point and you have not just liked this video, come on, what are you waiting for? Encourage somebody to do more. Encourage your sister, your girl. Go ahead and like the video. Give it a big thumbs up. And to all my returning subscribers, you almost escaped me. Thank you for tuning in again. And if today is your first time coming across this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Be a part of this humble family, so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified. Now we are uploading soon again. And please, the new and the whole, please look, as you are watching, look by your right hand side. If you have not yet turned your notification bell, please do so now. That is the only way you can be informed when we upload a new video. Do so now and help us to share the video. Don't you think other people will love a yummy and simple dinner like this? Thanks for watching. See you soon again in another satisfying video. Bye bye.